When organizations think of software as a service, they generally relate it to the first piece of software as a service that they've implemented or that they've considered implementing. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, has been a typical entree into the cloud for many organizations. But software as a service has evolved. Business applications in the cloud have evolved. At Saugatuck Technology, we're now referring to the general practice area as enterprise business in the cloud, because it's more than just the software. It's the business practices, it's the best practices and the business processes that need to be considered when looking at and implementing business applications and enterprise applications in the cloud. What organizations need to do is think broader than a piece of software that they may implement, software as a service or a cloud business solution. What they need to look at is the bigger application portfolio picture. And although many enterprises feel that they have a handle on their current application portfolio, and they may, what they don't necessarily have a picture of is what it needs to look like down the road. With business changes happening at every turn and the need to react and respond to environmental and economic challenges, organizations need to be able to have their business applications follow suit. So a broader, more holistic view of your business applications picture is really needed. And what's happening now as cloud has become an accepted implementation approach and an accepted vehicle for organizations to deploy, whether you're talking applications, whether you're talking infrastructure or platform, the cloud is here. And the cloud is here to stay. And now enterprises who've accepted this concept are seriously looking at how and when they need to deploy and implement. So what organizations are often faced with is not if they go to the cloud with business applications, but when and how and where. So what organizations need to do in looking at this bigger portfolio picture is to also consider things like ripping and replacing. And rip and replace may not be as big bang or as immediate as it sounds, but organizations need to determine when to replace their current systems, in what sequence, in what fashion, and what business processes need to be reevaluated and redetermined. When thinking about ripping and replacing business applications, you need to take certain things into consideration, such as the timing, such as the implementation approach. Is everything done all at once or in a more incremental, phased, and sequential approach? The investment you've already made in enterprise applications. What capabilities your potential cloud solutions have versus your current solutions or versus on-premise solutions. So it's not an all or nothing, but many factors have to be taken into consideration, and every enterprise is going to make different determinations based on their current scenario, their application portfolio, but more importantly, thinking about their business and their enterprise business in the cloud.